Hello and welcome. I'm your host, Sanjana Arora. Today we are looking at a guardian that has protected India since before the life walked the land. This is the story of the Aravalli Range, North India's vanishing shield. To understand the Aravallis, you have to understand time. While the Himalayas are considered infants at 50 million years old, the Aravallis are an ancestor dating back 3.2 billion years. They have watched continents collide and the earth itself take shape. Stretching 800 kilometers from Delhi to Gujarat, this range is the only thing standing between the fertile heartlands of North India and the massive sand sea of the Thar Desert. It is a physical shield against desertification. This is not just dry stone. The Aravallis are the birthplace of critical lifelines like the Luni, Sabarmati, and the Chambal rivers. Millions of people depend on these heights for the very water they drink. Beneath the surface, the range acts as a massive underground reservoir. Its unique porous geology allows it to soak up nearly 2 million liters of rainwater per hectare, recharging up to 30% of the groundwater for the entire national capital region. For the 30 million people in Delhi NCR, the Aravallis are the last natural filter. They block toxic dust storms, reducing PM 2.5 pollution by up to 40% during the harsh summer months. These hills are also the last wild highway for endangered species. They provide a vital ecological corridor for tigers and leopards moving between isolated reserves like Sariska. But we are witnessing a systematic murder of this ecosystem. In just 40 years, over a quarter of the entire Aravalli range has vanished due to rampant, unchecked mining and deforestation. The damage is no longer theoretical. In Rajasthan, 31 entire mountains have been mined completely out of existence. Where peaks once stood, there are now only permanent gaps in our ecological barrier. By removing these hills, we have created 12 massive caps that act like funnels. These are now superhighways, channeling desert dust and extreme heat directly into New Delhi. Because the hills are gone, the sponge is broken. Groundwater in Haryana and Rajasthan is dropping by up to 1.5 meters every single year. We are entering a state of absolute scarcity. You might ask, how is this possible? The destruction of the world's oldest mountains is not just a failure of enforcement, it is a failure of the law itself. On November 20, 2025, a single number almost ended the range. A new ruling defined an Aravalli hill as land rising 100 meters or more. Instantly, 91% of the mountains in Rajasthan became legally invisible and unprotected. To see how absurd this is, look at the Qutub Minar. At 73 meters tall, this iconic monument wouldn't even count as a hill under the new law. Thousands of vital ridges were suddenly open for exploitation. The law also said that if a gap between two hills is larger than 500 meters, it's no longer a range. This practically invites miners to cut the range into pieces, fragmenting the entire ecosystem. New critical mineral clauses have made it even easier to bypass environmental oversight. Mandatory public hearings and impact assessments are being waived, silencing the voices of those who live there. But the people rose up. Widespread public pressure forced a monumental reversal. On December 29th, just 39 days after the original ruling, the Supreme Court stayed its own judgment to prevent irreversible damage. Now the fight moves from defensive to restoration. The Great Green Wall is a visionary plan to create a 1400-kilometer long forest belt to act as a permanent buffer against the desert. This is our final hour. On January 21, 2026, The green bench will decide the ultimate fate of this 3.2 billion year old treasure. Will we choose to protect or will we watch it perish? The Aravallis have protected us for millennia. Now it is our turn to protect them. Use the hashtag SaveAravali and join the movement. I am Sanjana Arora and their future is in our hands. Thank you for watching.